Hey guys, this is Barath Surendran. Welcome to this video. I am a digital marketer, trainer, coach, and an entrepreneur. And in this video, I'm going to talk about 5 different easy ways to learn digital marketing. And with 5 easy ways. So why I'm doing this? Because always, people have been making complex in learning digital marketing. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you just five simple steps. Number one, what you need to do if you really want to become a digital marketer is number one is you have to have a website. So what are we going to do with this website? How to create a simple website without much coding. You don't need to have any much coding. You don't need to learn any coding. So you can create your website. That is number one. Number two, once you create a website, number two, what you need is content. Whether you want to optimize it for the search or for the social media, always it happens that the number two thing is your content. So what is the kind of content you have to have? That is the number two thing. And number three is once you've done the content, number three, what we do is actually we increase traffic. So of course increasing traffic is since you have this content, you will be able to increase your traffic. And number four, what we do is we capture. What do we do? Capture the data of your prospect, and how to go about that is of course something we use something called the lead magnet and capture data. And number four, we put a sales funnel into place so that you'll be able to convert them into sales. So this is the overall thing about the entire 5 ways, right? So if you are interested to learn this 5 ways of digital marketing, just a half-day program, please let me know. Please comment below and give your details so that we will be in staying in touch with you and see you. Have a great time. Thumbs up.